So today I will explain very interesting topic like HTML embedding. So do you know about HTML embedding? If you don't know, so you will watch this video so you will understood what is HTML embedding. So HTML embedding is a master HTML embedding is not a standard technical term, but it could refers to one of the following concept depending on the context. Okay, so is that it's called like a master HTML embedding isn't a standard technical term, but it could refer to one of the following concepts depending depending on the context. So in that, so first is like master template embedding in web development. Master template embedding in web development. So in that development. So in that, this refers to using a master HTML template into which content from different pages is embedded. It's common in template engines like JS, Bug, and Handlebars, and frameworks. Frameworks, as you know, like Laravel, Django, and ASP.NET. So that is the master template embedding in web development. And as you know, do you know about the like EJS? So EJS, it is like in related to some in web development part. So in that I will write the like code. So as you know, like how to write it code. Simply, it is like, let's say, layout dot EJS. Okay, so that is the, if I will do like, yeah, so it is head, and then we no need to like in this too, and then simply title. In the title, so simply here we will write some body. Yeah, it is the syntax of like indifferent. Okay, so that is the, like I will write whole syntax of that, like HTML, and then head, and then title. In the title, well, title. Okay, so this type of syntax it have, and then body, and in that body it's like body, and then, yeah, so that is the syntax of like in EJS. So now I will explain second one, that is fast. Now it's second. Second is embedding embedding external HTML. So in that, embedding way may also refers to include other HTML document or element using iframes. You know about the iframe? Iframe is like iframe. Iframe. Okay, that is iframe and embeds another web page. And the second is object and object embed like embed multimedia or other HTML and template. Template in the sense for reusable chunks for HTML. Okay, and we use iframe in HTML. See, I will show you. Remove this and then simply we write iframe and then src and then let's say index.html. We don't have index.html, just I'm writing the part and let's say width is 600 and then height is 400 and then yeah, so I will create index.html. Now I will run this code and rename html style.html index1.html. Now I will run it. Yeah, see, it's create iframe. It's like a frame. You know what the frame? It's created frame. So that is the iframe. Now is the third is component based embedding master component. Okay, so in that component based embedding. So in that, in frameworks like React, Vue or Angular, a master layout component holds and rendered child component. It is related to like in function and then return and then pass the in the React. I already explained like in props in React before, like how to use in child component. So if you watch this that video, so you can watch and then you can understood. Okay, and then second is why we use for HTML binding. So we use HTML binding for master layout template for the layout template, and it is the like first is code reusability and the second is consistent design, third is easier maintenance and fourth is separation of concern and fifth is improved development speed. And the code reusability, common element like header, footer, navbar and sidebar can be written once in the master template and reused across pages. And the consistent design, it is ensure a uniform look and feel across all pages of a website or applications, and it is easier to maintain, like update to share parts of the site like changing the navigation menu only need to be made in the master file. And the fourth is separation of concern, keeps layout and content separate. The master handles and the layout content pages handle the specific data or content. And improve development speed, it means like speeds up development by reducing repetitive code and simplifying the creation of new page. So that's all about HTML embedding. So if you have any doubts, so you can comment down. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.